Hello everyone, welcome to Medical Mindshare. Today we will be discussing the MCQs of plant kingdom. First, classification system were based on evolutionary relationship between various organisms. A. Natural, B. Phylogenetic, C. Artificial, D. Both A and B. Correct answer is B. Phylogenetic. Second, system of classification that employs numerical data to evaluate similarities and differences is known as A. Cytotaxonomy, B. Phonetics, C. Biosynthetic, D. Chemiotaxonomy. Correct answer is C. Phonetics. Third, which out of the following are included under Tracheophyta, that is vascular plants? A. Pteridophytes, B. Angiosperm, C. Gymnosperm, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Fourth, the sporophyte is attached to the gametophyte in A. Algae, B. Bryophytes, C. Fungi, D. Pteridophytes. The correct answer is B. Bryophytes. In bryophytes, A. Sporophytes are depend upon gametophytes. B. Sporophyte and gametophyte generation are independent. C. Sporophyte in itself complete the life cycle. D. Gametophytes are depend upon sporophyte. The correct answer is A. Sporophytes are depend upon gametophyte. 6. Peat obtained from sphagnum moss is used as A. Fuel, B. Corrosive, C. Manure, D. Both A and B. It is actually both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. It is typing mistake. The correct answer is both A and C, that is fuel and manure. 7th, the moss which form dense extensive mats on soil prevents A. Uprooting of trees, B. Soil erosion, C. Falling of leaves, D. Evaporation of water from the soil. The correct answer is A. Uprooting of trees. 8. Asexual reproduction in liverwort take place by A. Fragmentation of a thalli and gymni formation, B. Gymni formation and diploid spore formation, C. Spore formation and isogamy, D. Fragmentation and zoospore formation. The correct answer is A. Fragmentation of a thalli and a gymni formation. 9. Gymni are asexual reproductive bodies of A. Brown algae, B. liverwort, C. mosses, D. red algae. The correct answer is B. liverworts. 10th, gymnae are the specialized structure produced in liverwort. These are A. non-green, multicellular, asexual bird which develop in a gamma cup. Green, B. green, multicellular, asexual bird which develop in a gamma cup. C. non-green, multicellular, diploid, sexual spores. D. Green, unicellular, diploid, sexual spores. The correct answer is B. Green, multicellular, asexual birds which develop in gamma cups. 11. Gamma are multicellular green structure for vegetative propagation. These are found inside gamma cups in A. Risica capsule, B. Merchantia thallus, C. Funaria protonema, D. Polytrichum thallus. The correct answer is B. Merchantia thallus. 12. Select the option that includes liverworts only. A. Riccia and Merchantia, B. Riccia and Funaria, C. Polytrichum merchantia, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is A. Riccia and merchantia. 13. In Funaria, the haploid structure is A. Protonema, B. Columella, C. Capsule, D. Seta. The correct answer is A. Protonema. 14. The sporophytic phase in Funaria is well developed and composed of A. Capsule only, B. Foot and capsule, C. Spore sac, D. Foot, seta and capsule. The correct answer is D. Foot, seta and capsule. 15. Fusion between morphologically alike gamete is referred to as isogamy, B. Oogamy, C. Anisogamy, D. Syngamy. The correct answer is A. Isogamy. 16. Fusion of two gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as A. Ogamy, B. Anisogamy, C. Isogamy. The correct answer is A and B. Here it is again typing mistake. It should be both A and B, but it is by mistake A and C. So the correct answer is both A and B, that is oogamy and anisogamy. 17. At least a half of total CO2 fixation on Earth is carried out through photosynthesis by A. Angiosperm, B. Algae, C. Gymnosperm, D. Bryophytes. The correct answer is B. Algae. 18. Agar agar is commercially obtained from A. Green algae, B. Brown algae, C. Blue green algae, D. Red algae. The correct answer is D. Red algae. 19 dash and dash are unicellular algae rich in proteins that are used as food supplement even by a space traveler. A. Chlorella spirulina. B. Gelidium gracilaria. C. Porphyra spirogyra. D. Laminaria spirogyra. The correct answer is A. Chlorella and spirulina. 20. Seaweeds are a source of A. Chlorine. B. Bromine. C. Fluorine. D. Iodine. The correct answer is D. Iodine. Major photosynthetic pigment in green algae are A. Chlorophyll A and B. B. Chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. C. Chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. D. Chlorophyll A and C. The correct answer is A. Chlorophyll A and B. 22. Cup-shaped chloroplast is present in A. Spirogyra. B. Chlamydomonas. C. Ulothrix. D. Chara. The correct answer is B. Chlamydomonas. 23. In most green algae, pyrenoids, the storage bodies, are located in A. Chloroplast. B. Cytoplasm. C. Mitochondria. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is A. Chloroplast. 24. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall of an inner layer of dash and outer layer of dash. A. Cellulose. B. Pectose. C. Pectose cellulose. D. Cellulose pectose. The correct answer is D. Cellulose pectose. It means that in green algae there are two cell walls. One is outer and the second one is inner. The outer cell wall, it is made up of pectose, and the inner cell wall, it is made up of cellulose. 25. A member of a class Chlorophyceae is A. Chlamydomonas. B. Volvox. C. Ulothrix. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 26. In Ulothrix, sexual reproduction is by A. Isogamy. B. Anisogamy. C. Oogamy. D. Conjugation. The correct answer is A. Isogamy. 27. Each cell of Volvox colony has a structure similar to A. Ulothrix. B. Chlamydomonas. C. Spirogyra. D. Nostole. The correct answer is B. Chlamydomonas. 28. The members of Phyco- Phyophyceae or brown algae are found: A. Freshwater, B. Marine habitat, C. Terrestrial habit, D. Rock. The correct answer is B. Marine habitat. 29. Which of the following pigments are found in brown algae? A. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. B. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. C. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. D. Chlorophyll A and phycoerythrin. The correct answer is C. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C and fucoxanthin. 30. The seaweeds that form the underwater forest are: A. Culps, B. Laminaria, C. Microcystis, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 31. Laminarin and mannitol, the reserve food of brown algae, are: A. Lipids, B. Proteins, C. Complex carbohydrates, D. Lipoproteins. The correct answer is C. Complex carbohydrates. 32. Which of the following statement about Phyophyceae is incorrect? A. Vegetative reproduction occurs by fragmentation. B. Asexual reproduction is by biflagellate pear-shaped zoospores. C. In sexual reproduction, gametes are pyriform and bear two lateral attached flagella. D. None of these. The correct answer is D. None of these. 33. Which of the following is not moss? A. Polytrichum, B. Funaria, C. Sphagnum, D. Riccia. The correct answer is D. Riccia. 34. Funaria requires water because: A. Fertilization occurs in water only. B. Funaria is a hydrophyte. C. Plant need water for gametogenesis. D. Gametangia cannot develop without water. The correct answer is A. Fertilization occurs in water only. 35. A moss sperm moves by a mean of: A. Pseudopodia, B. Flagella, C. Cilia, D. Any of these. The correct answer is B. Flagella. 36. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Mosses along lichen are the first organism to colonize the rock. B. Sphagnum is used as a packing material for transportation of living matter. C. In liver or spores are produced after meiosis within the capsule. D. Funaria possess unicellular unbranched rhizoids. The correct answer is D. Funaria possess unicellular unbranched rhizoids. 37. What is the characteristic branching pattern of a dictyothallus? A. Monopodial. B. Dichotomous. C. Excurrent. D. Deliquescent. The correct answer is B. Dichotomous. 38. Photosynthetic pigment of rhodophyceae, that is red algae, are A. Chlorophyll A and B. B. Chlorophyll A. C. Fucoxanthin. C. Chlorophyll A and D. D. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and phycoerythrin. 39. Phycoerythrin is present in A. Euglena. B. Chlamydomonas. C. Polysymphonia. D. Fucus. The correct answer is C. Polysymphonia. 40. Phycoerythrin, chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll D characteristic of are A. Phycophyceae. B. Chlorophyceae. C. Xanthophyceae. D. Rhodophyceae. The correct answer is D. Rhodophyceae. 41. Select the incorrect statement regarding reproduction in Rhodophyceae. A. Asexual reproduction occurs by non-motile spores. B. Sexual reproduction occurs by motile gametes. C. Sexual reproduction is oogamous. D. Complex post-fertilization developmental event occurs. Correct answer is B. Sexual reproduction occurs by motile gametes. 42. Common example of a red algae is A. Batrachospermum. B. Both A and B. C. Porphyra. D. Ectocarpus. The correct answer is Porphyra and Batrachospermum. Here it is again a typing mistake. It should be both A and C. That is Porphyra and Batrachospermum. 43. Which out of the following does not belong to brown algae? A. Geladium batrachospermum. B. Ectocarpus dicyota. C. Laminaria fucus. D. Sargassum ectocarpus. The correct answer is A. Geladium batrachospermum. 45. Batrachospermum is A. Red algae of a sea. B. Blue algae. C. Brown algae. D. Red algae of a fresh water. The correct answer is D. Red algae of a fresh water. 46. The bryophytes are usually found in A. Damp and shaded area. B. Marine habitat. C. Sandy soil. D. xeric habitat. The correct answer is A. Damp and shaded area. 47. The prominent phase in the life cycle of a bryophyte is A. Gametophyte, B. Seta, C. Sporophyte, D. Sporgonum. The correct answer is A. Gametophyte. 48. The female sex organ in Riccia and Funaria is A. Anthridium, B. Archegonium, C. Paraphysis, D. Oogonium. The correct answer is B. Archegonium. 49. A sterile jacket around Gamantagia is found among A. Bryophyte, B. Lichen, C. Algae, D. Fungi. The correct answer is A. Bryophyte. 50. The embryonic development in bryophytes takes place in the A. Protonema, B. Antheridium, C. Sporogium, D. Archegonium. The correct answer is D. Archegonium. 51. In pteridophytes, a spore germinates to produce A. A sporophyte, B. Prothallus, C. Sporogonium, D. Microsporophyll. The correct answer is B. Prothallus. 52. In pteridophytes, Prothallus produces A. Sporangia, B. Antheridia and Archegonium, C. Vascular tissues, D. Root, stem, and leaf. The correct answer is D. Root, stem, and leaf. 53. The heterosporous pteridophytes are A. Lycopodium and teres, B. Selangilla and Pisilotum, C. Selangilla and Salvinia, D. Dryopteris and Andiantum. The correct answer is Selangilla and Salvinia, that is C. 54. Which of the following is an aquatic fern? A. Adiantum, B. Salvinia, C. Dryopteris, D. Equistem. The correct answer is B. Salvinia. 55. Gymnosperm do not bear fruits because they do not have A. Seeds, B. C. Ovule, B. Ovary, D. Pollination. The correct answer is ovary. 56. Gymnosperms are referred to as naked seeded plant because A. They lack ovule, B. They lack ovaries, C. They have no seed pod, G. The embryo is unprotected. The correct answer is B. They lack ovaries. 57. Plant which possess seed but not fruits are A. Bryophytes, B. Pteridophytes, C. Gymnosperm, D. Algae. The correct answer is C. Gymnosperm. 58. Gymnosperm do not include A. Herbs, B. Shrubs, C. Trees, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is A. Herbs. 59. Which of the following gymnosperm has branched stem? A. Penis, B. Citrus, C. Cycas, D. Both A and C. Here it is again a printing mistake. The correct option are A. Penis and the B. Citrus. These both are the correct option. Both A and C are the correct option. 60. The leaves of a gymnosperms are well adapted to withstand extreme temperature, humidity, and wind because of which of the following features? A. Needle-like leaves, B. Thick cuticle, C. Sunken stomata, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 61. Seed plants are all A. Heterosporous, B. Dioecious, C. Homosporous, D. Monoecious. The correct answer is A. Heterosporous. 62. In Pinus, male strobulus bears a large number of A. Anther, B. Stamen, C. Microsporophylls, D. Megasporophylls. The correct answer is C. Microsporophylls. 63. Heterospory is found in some member of dash and all member of dash. A. Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, B. Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, C. Bryophyta, Gymnospermae, D. Pteridophyta, Spermatophyta. The correct answer is D. Pteridophyta, Spermatophyta. 64. Megasporophyll of a gymnosperm is homologous to angiosperms. A. Stamen, B. Sepal, C. Carpel, D. Petal. The correct answer is C. Carpel. It is the carpel of a megasporophyll of a gymnosperm that is homologous with the angiosperm. 65. Which of the following structures are haploid gymnosperms? A. Pollen grain megaspore embryo, B. Pollen grain megaspore endosperm, C. Megaspore leaf root, D. Leaf root integument. The correct answer is B. Pollen grain megaspore, endospore. 66. Dash do not have free living gametophyte. A. Pteridophytes. B. Bryophytes. C. Gymnosperm. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is C. Gymnosperm. 67. Gymnosperm, called as a living fossil, is A. Cycas. B. Ginkgo. C. Juniperus. D. Both A and B. That is Cycas and Ginkgo. These both gymnosperms are called as a living fossils. 68. Sporophyte is the dominant phase in A. Pteridophytes. B. Angiosperm. C. Gymnosperms. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. 69. In angiosperm, functional megaspore develop into A. Embryo sac. B. Endosperm. C. Ovule. D. Pollen sac. The correct answer is A. Embryo sac. 70. Which of the following statement regarding haplontic life cycle is incorrect? A. Sporophytic generation is represented only by the one-celled zygote. B. There is no free living sporophyte. C. Mitosis in the zygote result in the formation of haploid spores. D. The haploid spore divide mitotically and form the gametophyte. The correct answer is C. Mitosis in the zygote result in the formation of a haploid spores. 71. The haplontic life cycle generally occurs in A. Bryophyte. B. Most algae. C. Pteridophyte. D. Gymnosperm. The correct answer is B. Most algae. 72. Which kind of life cycle pattern is exhibited by seed-bearing plant? A. Haplontic. B. Haplodiplontic. C. Diplontic. D. All of these. The correct answer is C. Diplontic. 73. Haplodiplontic life cycle is found in A. Bryophyte. B. Pteridophytes. C. Fungi. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. 74. In dash a dominant and independent haploid gametophyte alternate with a short-lived dependent sporophyte. A. Algae. B. Bryophytes. C. Pteridophytes. D. Gymnosperms. The correct answer is B. Bryophytes. 75. In dash a dominant and independent diploid sporophyte alternate with a short-lived independent haploid gametophyte. A. Algae. B. Bryophyte. C. Pteridophyte. D. Gymnosperms. The correct answer is C. Pteridophyte. In this way, we have covered the MCQs of the plant kingdom. In next video, we will be covering the MCQs of the animal kingdom targeting NEET 2024. Thank you for watching the video and do like, share and subscribe the Medical Mindshares for upcoming videos.